Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then do so once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have the Do Not Disturb mode. You can see it on the first page. You can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages where it looks like Might Not Disturb mode is located. Now this is the default location of the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Now once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, hold it and then select Details, and this will quickly take you to these settings. Here we have a bunch of different settings, but I'm gonna only talk about the more important ones. So those would be things like the calls and the messages, in which you can select who can call you or message you, with an additional options for calls to allow calls to go through if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period. Now this bypasses whatever you have selected above. Now next we have the schedule. There's always one pre-made one. Sleeping starts at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. every single day. You can edit it, enable it, or you can add your own new ones. Now above that we have for how long, which defines what will happen when you press on the toggle. I personally like to set it up on a timer, and then maybe I make it like 4 hours or so. And what this will do is when I change it and enable my Do Not Disturb mode manually like this, it will turn itself on for 4 hours. And after 4 hours, it's just going to automatically turn off. And this will basically be the case every time I turn it on. And the reason I like it is because I would forget about the Do Not Disturb mode being enabled, go on my merry way when I need it, turn it on, and then forget about it, and it will just be running indefinitely in the background. But with this option, this just removes that problem, as it's going to turn it off automatically after 4 hours. And the reason I picked 4 hours is just because I consider this time to be sufficient enough to cover whatever I would need the mode for, plus a little bit extra, giving me the time that if I remember I can turn it off myself by just simply tapping on the toggle once again. Now there's a couple additional options which you can go over in here and customize them to fit your exact needs, but I just wanted to talk about the more important ones. And as you've seen before, to turn on your Do Not Disturb mode, just simply tap on a toggle, and then once more to turn it off as well. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.